Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be building a tube light module, using the products we offer on our site. We hope that this video will give you inspiration for your own lighting projects. The product we'd like to feature most prominently in this creation is the Oslo LED diffuser tube. As shown, it's available in black and white options. Next up is this vertical tube light stand, also available in black and white. It's great for freestanding tube light displays. We'll also be using these aluminum end covers, which are great when you're wanting to give your designs a classy finish. They're available in several color options and can be purchased with or without the hole. These Wago clip connectors will simplify the wiring process. Here's our 24-volt adapter, and finally, the 4-channel LED strip, attached to the mounting plate. The stand comes with a pre-drilled hole, but for this project, we had to drill our own slightly larger hole. Now slide the tube over the LEDs. Make sure that the mounting plate is slotted into the grooves inside the diffuser. Let's add the end cover for that stylish finish. Great! Now we can wire up our module to the adapter. Insert the positive and negative wires into separate connectors. Place the black positive wire from the strip into the connector with the red positive wire from the adapter. Then insert the remaining wires into the connector with the negative wire from the adapter. Be sure that your wires are adequately stripped, and that you insert them all the way to the back of the connectors. Now let's connect this to a power source and test it out. To change the color on a strip, not using a controller, like this one, simply adjust the wiring. For instance, if you'd like a red light, connect only the red color wire from the strip. If you'd like a purple light, use the red and blue wires. Here we altered our design slightly by using the second end cover and excluding the stand. Also available on our site is this adjustable stand option. It comes in handy when you're wanting to set your tube lights at an angle. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you to create your own amazing lighting projects.